Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Stephanie. For those of you who don't know me, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, sorry about that. Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to the year 2021. How's it going for you? For me, it sucks already, but let's stay positive this year. So I haven't been really consistent on here, so I'm gonna try and be more consistent. But if you guys would like to see more of me, be sure to follow me on TikTok because I do post there a lot because, I mean, if you have TikTok, you know why. It's fun. I'm addicted. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Curlsmith Strength line. So I got the whole kit, which comes with the 3 products, with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, the Featherlight Protein Cream, and the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. All 3 products in full size. I actually got this kit on Ulta and it retails for $69. Buying all 3 of the products individually actually cost you a little more, so I just ended up getting the kit because I wanted to try all 3. I don't know why I have problems when something new comes out. So I'm just going to be giving you guys my thoughts and all that good stuff, and show you how I use the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. And actually, I did style my hair with all 3 as well, and I'll be showing you guys that clip and how my hair came out. I went in today and styled my hair with only their Bouncy Strength Volume Foam and my Curlsmith, where is it? I styled it with the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Styled Balm, so it gave me these results, which I gotta say I love. Look at these curls. My hair's a little frizzy because I've been touching it, not because of the products. I just have a habit of touching my hair, which I'm trying to stop, but you know, I just can't. Let's talk about this kit. So this is supposed to help your hair's elasticity and build more stronger hair. This kit is specifically only to incorporate more protein in your hair. Protein is necessary for you to have strong, healthy hair. All of these 3 products have protein in them, so you don't necessarily have to buy this kit because I think too much protein can be bad depending on your hair's porosity. If you're not sure what your hair porosity is, side of this kit, it does give you the recommendation if you're like, depending on your hair's porosity. So if you have high porosity, it's telling you to use these products every other wash day. If you have medium porosity, it's telling you to use it every other wash day. And then for low porosity, it's saying that it recommends you to use this every 2 to 3 washes. I'm an expert when it comes to how much moisture your hair needs and how much protein your hair needs. Obviously, you need to find a balance of what your hair needs. I can only recommend what know what my hair needs, but basically you do need a balance of moisture and protein to have healthy hair. Obviously, I don't know if you have too much moisture in your hair kind of feels sticky, gunky, like kind of, you know, what's that? When I was younger, actually, my mom's hairstylist, which was my hairstylist too, said my hair was like chicle, meaning it was like gum. So it's kind of like sticky, meaning you have too much moisture in your hair. So it'll just feel like a little too soft, kind of sticky, and you'll notice your hair kind of is like weighed down and stuff. So yeah, como chicle. So if you have too much protein on your hair, also it'll be too dry. So you kind of want to find the balance in the middle. So only you know what your hair texture is like and how it feels. So do your research and make sure you get the right products. The one product I do recommend if you are trying to transition to curly hair, or even if you just want to maintain your curls, is the Bond Rehab Salve. This thing is amazing. I know everybody's comparing it to the Olaplex number 4. This is a pre-wash treatment to kind of bond your hair together. So meaning you will apply this before you actually wash your hair. Depending on your hair, you know how much to leave it on. When I used it, I did leave it on for 15 minutes. Let me tell you, the amount of shine you're gonna get from this product it's insane. Let me show you guys what it looked like when I was using it, how I applied it, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna insert that video right here. So I started with dirty, dry hair. As you can see, it is a mess. I think this was like 5 days in. I have like no curls. It looks knotted and dry, and look just all over the place basically. But yeah, so you want to make sure you wet your hair before you apply this product, but don't shampoo it. Just apply water is enough to get that product in there. So after my hair was soaked, I made sure to evenly distribute it on both sections of my hair. So I did make sure to section it off so I can get an even amount on both sides. And I have to say, this stuff smells really good. It doesn't have like a sticky texture, so I'm not sure why I was playing with it that way, but it felt so smooth. It had so much slip. I was able to finger detangle my hair, and for it to be as knotted as it was when it started, it was actually really easy to get through it with just that product alone. It did take a good amount of product to, distribute all over my hair, but it didn't feel too heavy. It was like a conditioner in a way. So it was really easy to just detangle my hair with the product alone in my fingers, which was pretty awesome because my hair was really tangled. So thankfully I didn't need a brush for that. Once I finished applying the product all over my hair, I just put it up in a bun and I let it sit there for 15 minutes. So after the 15 minutes, I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and honestly, I was amazed by the results. My hair felt so much stronger and it looked shiny instantly. So then I went on to style my hair, and I went in with the leave-in cream first, and I just did the same process I usually do when I style my hair. So if you guys haven't watched my curly hair routine, I'll make sure to leave that link down below because I'm just showing you guys that I applied the leave-in cream first, and then I just went over that with the Demnim brush. So after I finished brushing it with the Demnim brush, I went in with their Bouncy Strength Volume Foam, and basically at first I was like, what is going on here? Because nothing but water came out, but then it started turning into foam, and all I did was scrunch that in as my hold, and yeah, that's it. I just continued to do that to the rest of my hair. Okay, so these are my results using all three products, and as you can see, my curls look super freaking shiny. I'm like shocked because at first it was giving me like that feeling of stiffness and dryness, but once it got completely dry, it is like super freaking soft. I do have some frizz though. I should have like used some gel, but it actually looks really pretty, but we'll see how it holds up tomorrow. I'm sure they're gonna go down by then, but some parts of my hair are not as curled as they usually are, and then some are like super curled, which is really weird. These are the results, so let's see what happens tomorrow. My hair was super shiny, super soft, and like it just didn't maintain my frizz like I wanted to. So, and my curl pattern the next day kind of was like gone. So that was the only downfall with using all of these three together. You would need an extra like a gel or something to, hold your curls together. So buying all three of these to me isn't kind of a waste of money because you still need more to, hold your curls. So I would say like if you're gonna buy this one, pair it with like a defining cream, and then if you're gonna buy this one, the same thing. Like these two together just are not enough hold, and I feel like if you pair them with one more product, it just feels like too heavy on your hair. So that's why I styled my hair today with this and the Hold Me Softly Balm, and I really love how that came out more than when I use these two together. From the whole kit, I honestly want to say my favorite out of everything is the Bond Salve. Like this thing is a must, especially if you're trying to maintain healthy hair or you're trying to get your hair back to its healthy state. This thing is amazing. If you're looking into buying this kit or any of these products, I do recommend you using a really hydrating defining cream or a leave-in conditioner that's really moisturizing, and a shampoo and conditioner that's also moisturizing, because again, balance. We all need that balance. Don't mess up your hair. That is it for today, you guys. I am going to be doing, my next review is going to be reviewing the Rizos Curls gel that I just got in the mail. So I'm really excited to be using that. So yeah, I hope you guys join me next week for a new curly hair video, and I will see you guys next time.